I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Perx card is activated and linked to your Perx account. This avoids surprises at the terminal. Open the Perx app and check balance and rewards so you know exactly what you can spend. Once done, make sure your phone or ID is ready for quick verification at the merchant. Now position the card or phone near the payment terminal and tell the cashier you'll use the Perx card, so they select the correct payment option immediately. You proceed by having the cashier select card or rewards as the payment method, which ensures the terminal accepts Perx transactions. Tap or insert your Perx card, or open the Perx wallet on your phone and choose the card. Contactless tap usually completes faster. Watch the terminal prompts and confirm the exact amount shown, then approve on your device or sign if prompted. If rewards or discounts apply, verify they've been deducted before you finish by taking the receipt and checking the final amount to ensure rewards and fees applied correctly. Keep the receipt until the charge clears. If the payment fails, retry contactless first. If that fails, insert the chip or switch to your mobile wallet version of the Perx card. Make sure you have network access for mobile approvals. If problems continue, note the transaction ID and contact Perx support with details so they can trace and resolve the issue promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.